If you want to hide your photos or videos on POCO X7 Pro, first you have to start by opening Gallery. And now you have to go into anything that you want to actually hide. So you can quickly hide like all folders. I mean all the photos that are in the folder. So if I'm gonna click and hold right here, I can hide it, as you can see. But the only thing is that you have to actually create the folder one more time. So you cannot actually hide the default folders, but for example the downloads, as you can see now, I'm able to actually hide. So I have to click hide, click OK, and now it's hidden. This specific photo will be not available until I click here and go into settings and tap on this icon to view hidden albums. Now I can click to unhide, click OK, and it will be back. If you're wondering how you can move photos into the folder, then you can simply go into any other folder, select photos or videos that you want to move, click to move it. So click to add to album actually, select downloads, click move or copy, that's your choice. I'm gonna copy them. And as you can see right now, we can hide additional photos. Now please leave a like and subscribe.